Traveling is a passion, but nowadays people are mostly being focused on number of likes, comments, followers and engagements.
Sometimes I wish we could go somewhere. I feel it all around. I know you're seeing it too. I wanna know if
For us, we're not into traveling for gaining number of followers or likes. We are into traveling simply because it gives us happiness.
jump in the water.
The reason we started traveling is because of our love towards nature, and we are glad to reason still the same. We love being close to nature, every tiny detail about it, and capture those moments into our camera.
Sometimes you gotta give things up. Sometimes you better not let go. 'Cause I need to know when I'm down and in trouble. Jump in the water.